Yeah, this already tastes better. You want some of the juice?
Even the corn is better.
Yeah, they really know how to keep the black people. You know what they play?
One of my clusters was missing a couple legs. I'm not even gonna hold myself. Cluster's supposed to have 5 legs.
Well, like that? I'm not a big fan of these, but I'll do it once in a while. Every once in a while. Fuck it.
It's actually so good compared to the other place.
So why are you asking my gloves? They ain't give you them? They did, but mine ripped. Alright, thank you. I only got this for you. He used to just
pass me that drug. Cracker. Thank you.
oh.
I swallowed it. I said, oh. Oh no, I broke it. Gonna get one. One for the video. The ones were like a little easier to crack. It's sus to me. Hey yo, I should miss it. I should miss it. Got them hollow crabs. In the sauce. Where are the drinks? Where are the drinks? That's OD. Like, I don't even want them anymore.
I'll say that.
No water. Don't say that. Why?
And they want links in the drinks, man.
And they want you paying for it mad fast. Yeah.
Pina colada is better.
Metaberry?
Yeah.
Pina colada?
Can you get the water, please?
Yes.
How's it? Chip? Mine's a little strong. But I ain't complaining, baby. It's Friday.
The drink is a little strong.
Nigga, Vinny 2.0 is fed up.
Nah, I'm ready to watch these remaining episodes. That boy Ron is coming. Eventually.
Yeah, that nigga 2.0 said, you're a beast.
That's crazy. You got one time to call me a beast.
Acting dumb as hell. How the fuck do you expect any man to take you serious? You sat here and fucking flirted with another nigga.
Like, he probably peeps that, you know? That probably gets him tight, like, you don't know how to say it. Because they're friends. They've been friends. They're family. Yeah, real good at his cracking.
Yeah, that factor is just never going anywhere. They're all pretty much hooked up with each other.
That's disgusting.
So,
It's your auntie.
yeah, like, all that soft shit is out the window. Everybody in that shit done kissed everybody, nigga. Paulie done kissed Snooki, nigga. Snooki done kissed Mike. Mike done kissed Sam. Sam done kissed Ron. Like, Diddy done kissed Angelina. Angelina done kissed Mike. Like, that shit never has gone nowhere. O-V-E-E-E-E-E-E.
Yo, my video about to get flagged. One thing Rihanna don't play with. Them copyright. This sauce is watching.
Which one you got? Garlic?
Lemon pepper?
Yeah. Nigga, Josh love lemon pepper.
Saw he got them wings. I mean them. Sorry, fries.
South from Bankhead, I smack the shit out of you. Huh? South from Bankhead, I smack the shit out of you.
Nothing affection.
Let's see what water he gets there.
You just asked? They just asked? Don't say it. Song low-key underrated. You're so chapped and people.
Their crabs actually have meat in them. Wow. What a fucking question.
What a concept.
What a concept. Meat inside the crab meat. I mean the crab shit alive. Wow. What's up?
Take one for the video.
Yeah, let me yeah, we could have did a better main job on this one.
sauce is good too. Gonna do this one right.
Well, at least you got you. Yeah, you got me for sure.